Hey guys, thanks for joining me on this video today. Today I'm featuring some hair accessories that I got, hoping for a little bit of inspiration for my updos and my twist outs. So with no further ado, let's get started. Okay, actually all of these products came from Amazon. Yeah, so I have a few hair tools that I'm also going to introduce, and then the majority of them I'm just revamping, I'm upgrading, and I'm updating my hair accessories. And I need to really just refresh everything, so I want to do some cute updos, and so with no further ado, this one here, I already opened the box. I couldn't wait, so I got these about maybe 2 weeks ago. I just haven't had a chance to do a video, but I have been waiting. I haven't used them yet. They're still in the packaging, so I figured I would wait until I did the video before I start using them. But they came in 3 tones, and this all came in one pack. So you get 2 rose gold, and these are hair barrettes, and I thought these would be nice to feature for like a updo, very classy. And then I also have the silver. They come in silver, and they come in gold. And I wanted something simple. Didn't want anything too fancy. I just wanted something basic that will pretty much be classic and yeah, just nothing that's going to be trendy that goes out of style. I just wanted something basic that I could use on a regular. So I got these. And I like the fact that they're so long. It looks like it would hold a lot of hair. Actually, let me open one so I can show you the details. So actually, they're not as long as I thought, because see how that curves? It's a little shorter than I thought, but it should hold the amount of hair that I want. Okay, the second thing is these are called, I believe they're like hair jewels. You put these in your twist or your braids, or if you have braided extensions, you just put these in between. They're a little bit different than the other beaded jewelry that I have. This is the one that has a clasp, not really a clasp, but you just close it. But this one is hardware. It's kind of like, if you haven't noticed, my nose ring. Yeah, I got a nose ring. I've been wanting one for a long time, so I finally just went ahead and got me one. But this is not the same as a nose ring, because this is actually smaller. I'm not sure if you could probably use it as a nose ring, but this is for its hair hoops. I'm not exactly sure what they call these. Now I don't have my glasses on. I can't see without my glasses, as you know. So I'll pop this down below. And I'll put the links of what I found on Amazon below, so if you're interested in purchasing, you can go ahead and find them real easy through the link, instead of searching, going through pages and pages to try to find. Okay, so the next thing here, I don't even know how to use these, so this is going to be a challenge for my video, but I thought they were super cute, and they come in three trio colors. So you have the gold, and these are the hairpins. I'm not exactly sure how to use them. I know you probably can use like a shiganen. That's how you pronounce it? Shiganen, or hair bun. And you just stick them in, and they're supposed to hold your hair bun. So actually they came in not 3 colors, I'm sorry, they came in 2 colors. They came in gold, and they gave you 5. So, and they're very sturdy. This is such a good quality. I was impressed. I couldn't even tell online, like when I was looking at them, I said, this is going to be some good quality. They are super strong. This I know will work in 4C here for no, like, without a doubt. This will work in 4C. And they come in silver. So you get 5 of each. So I thought that was a pretty good deal for the quality and the fact that you get so many. So I have to come up with some super creative styles for these. I'm not exactly sure, but they'll probably be for updos and probably roll and tuck styles. Okay. The next ones are hair barrettes or hair clips. More so hair clips, I think, but these are the decor ones. Like these are just basically for to design, to actually just decorate your hair. Hair bling. So we have different designs, and these are a little bit harder, I noticed, to actually slide, to open. Like I'll probably just have to use these with when I have my hair blown out. So I won't have to fight with trying to get it in my hair. But I do like the design. So you get 2 in this design. Geometric, I guess, a geometric shape. And then they have, this is another geometric shape. Actually, I can't get it out of the bag. Here, this one. So it opens, they don't have any kind of latch or anything. You just slide it in, and you can either wear it double on one side of your hair, or you can wear it on, 2 on each side. I'm not exactly sure how I'm going to wear these, but I would probably wear 2 on one side and pin it up that way. And then the last one I love are, I'll open this one, very classy, very feminine, and it's pearls are in, so it's going to match with when I put on my pearl earrings. And I also got one of those hug earring hoops that you, I forgot what you call those, that clip on here, so it's a pearl one. So it's going to look really cute with this. So snatch you some of these on Amazon. And so that's it for the hair accessories. I thought I had more, but no. But this is quite a lot for me because I have not updated my hair accessories in quite a while. Not really into hair bows or any of that stuff. So the next thing I'm going to feature, I don't know how true this is. I'm not into gadgets or anything like that. I didn't buy this for this coconut oil, infused with coconut oil. I really don't trust that. But this is a hair pick. And they say it's supposed to be infused with coconut oil to make your hair so it glides through your hair. It has keratin. And it is a comb that features a blend of coconut oil and keratin infused, smoothly glides through the hair, helps aid shine and silky finish, reduces frizz, will not leave residue on your hands. That's a lot. When you got products on your hand, when you got some coconut oil or you have some almond oil, your jojoba oil, your hands are going to be greasy. So I'm going to open this. What I liked about this is that it's not the typical design like my old pick. My old pick is just a straight pick. But this pick looks like it's going to do me some. It looks like I'm going to pick out my hair pretty well. Ooh, it's nice and smooth. It is real smooth. Oh, this is gonna feel nice sliding through my hair. It is slick. And I like the shape and the design of it. I like the way wow. It feels good. I can't describe it, but it is a nice smooth texture. It's very smooth and sleek. Wow. Okay. Wasn't expecting that. I'm not exactly sure about this coconut oil. I just like the fact that it's real smooth and it feels like it's gonna, like, seriously just be like butter going through my hair. So I'm gonna feature this when I'm actually styling my hair, so you'll get to see this and how it works. And the last but not least is I got the comb. So I was curious, I was like, the comb that I have this comb which I don't really care too much for. This is a detangler comb and I use this when I'm washing my hair. After I wash it, I comb it out and then I use my detangler brush, which I love the detangler brush, but this comb I want to replace with this. And I'll probably actually use this on a regular basis. This looks like it was, I hope this wasn't returned. It's not wrapped the same way as the other one was. Okay, I'm just gonna, instead of trying to fight with the plastic, I'm gonna cut it with scissors. It's not like I really need another comb. I really don't. The only reason why I'm getting this is because of the function, the way, I've never seen a comb like this, and what it's promising. So this looks like it's going to be really nice. I'm hoping this will eliminate some of the snags that I get. It definitely won't eliminate the single strand knots that I get at the ends, but I'm hoping as far as my comb out, especially when I'm washing, after I wash my hair, when I need to comb it out, or like during the week when I'm actually trying to refresh my hair. I just want it to be less snags and easier to comb through, so that's the only reason why I got this. This feels so much better than the black comb that I'm using. I have a wide tooth black comb that I use, but and it's very hard. Like, this is not bending. This is not going nowhere. It's a very solid comb. I like the fact that it's white. You can see how much hair comes out of your hair, out of your head. So, of course, I like to monitor that to make sure I'm not losing too much of my strands. I like the fact that it has a little hole here. Maybe you can hang it on a hook, I don't know, in your bathroom. I just like the design. It's just creative. So you will see me using this comb, and I will do probably a product review on both of these, on this one and this one, to see how they work. But I'll pop the links on these also below. I have not found these anywhere else, so Amazon is my go-to place to actually shop now because it's just so convenient. It's so easy to find everything online. So that is it for this video. I appreciate you watching. If you're interested in watching some more of my videos, you can just make sure that you hit the subscribe button below and make sure that you turn on the notifications so you can follow these next videos, upcoming videos coming up. And I appreciate you. Thank you for joining and being part of the family. Thank you for all the oldies but goodies. And we will see you in the next one. Peace.